Welcome y'all to the 412 Homestead. Tonight I'm making another simple, easy recipe for Thanksgiving or Christmas, or heck, if you just want to have it for supper. 5 ingredients, get your cherry fluff. We got our cherry pie filling, we got our crushed pineapple, we got our sweetened condensed milk, we got our pecans, and we got us some mini marshmallows. We're going to mix this all together and we're going to have us a good old cherry fluff. You guys, we're starting off with our can of crushed pineapple. We've got to drain it. This one here, we don't want the juice in. We're going to save that juice though, but that's a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. We're going to just mash this through our strainer here, see if we can't get most of the juice out of it. You don't have to get it completely dry, but just get most of it out of there. That'll be good. Now we're going to dump that into our bowl. And we are going to mix in our 21-ounce, just one can of cherry pie filling. I didn't buy the expensive kind. I just bought what our grocery store had. Want to make sure you get all the goodie out of the can, because that's where a lot of the syrup will hang out. So you want to make sure you get that. We're going to give that a stir. This is one of, I know I tell y'all, this is one of our favorites. Y'all, we like to eat. We like good things. And we have our standards that we, I guess I should say our old standbys that we always make for the holidays. And this is one of them. So I'm just giving you this idea, cherry fluff. So we're going to go in with our 14-ounce of sweetened condensed milk. And it's just like the pistachio salad. It's going to be even better once you've had it in the refrigerator. I usually make mine the night before we're going to use it. That way it's good and cold. There's a lot of it hanging in the bottom here, and I want to make sure I get that all out. All right. Okay, now we've got a half a cup of pecans. Some people like pecans, some people don't. I'm going to put them in there. And I noticed that most recipes do not have the mini marshmallows, but I'm going to go in with about a half a bag of mini marshmallows. This bag here is a 10-ounce bag, so roughly that's about 5 ounces of mini marshmallows. And you guys, that's all there is to it. Simple, simple, but man, is it a wonderful dessert or side dish, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now we have got to fold in our carton of Cool Whip. Got an 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip. Let me get that out of the refrigerator. An 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip, and we're just going to put that whole thing in there. It's going to make a pretty good sized bowl, you guys. So we're just going to fold that in. And I would like to tell you guys, we appreciate all our subscribers. Man, we have been getting new subscribers and our watch hours are going up, and we've been getting interaction. You guys are commenting on our videos. You guys are just been too kind to us. You've been encouraging us, and we just appreciate you guys checking out our videos, checking out our channel. We're finally growing here, And it's all because you guys are helping us out. All right, that is looking really good. We'll get all that incorporated into that Cool Whip. And then we'll stick that in the ice box, let that get cool. That'll be a good little treat. But you guys, this is just another idea for Thanksgiving that's coming up. I'm trying to focus on things for Thanksgiving right now. And this is one of ours that we like. Cherry Fluff right here, you guys, on the 412 Homestead. We thank you guys for stopping by our channel. We thank you guys for the new subscribers, the likes, views. Hit that notification bell for our next video. Till we see you guys again, God bless.